So,
T2 डैश निकाल लिया, अब बारी है
myself Rahul Sahu from Government Engineering College Raipur. So here we are in heat and mass transfer lab. So
आइसेंट्रोपिक
here we
है
are going to perform heat transfer in force convection apparatus. So basically in this apparatus we will try to find out the heat transfer coefficient of air for this apparatus. So as you have already studied in your theory classes there that the convection has two different types, namely free convection and forced convection. In free convection, the movement of the particle or the fluid is by the
क्या लिखा था?
that means by temperature difference, by density difference, and there will be no any external medium or external power for the movement of fluid.
So कितना लिख सकते हो आप?
Reynolds number for free convection will be obviously low. In case of forced convection, there will be some external machine or external source to speed up the motion of fluid. Like if we switch on the fan and by external means or by fan we are increasing the velocity of flow and hence we are increasing the Reynolds number, then that will be the case of forced convection. So in free convection there will be no any external source or external fan, and in case of forced convection there will be some external source for the movement of fluid. As you can already judge by my past explanation that heat transfer coefficient for the free convection will be low as compared to forced convection. So for the present case there will be a external medium or external source to provide the motion of air. Here the fluid is air. So let's briefly discuss about the apparatus. The first one, this is switch for the apparatus to switch on or off. Second one, this one is the voltmeter which is showing at present 204 volt as our voltage supply. Second one is the ammeter which is showing 0.8 ampere for the present case, and third one is depicting various temperature of thermocouples. We will see where the thermocouple are placed, but this is digital digital panel to see the temperature at various places, and by this thermostat by this dimmer we can change into different temperature thermocouples. So basically in this apparatus there are 7 thermocouples placed at various place, and by this dimmer state we will able to see the various readings of thermocouples. This dimmer state, as you can see, this is H. So by changing or by rotating this dimmer state we can increase or decrease the heat supply to the heater. So this dimmer state basically changes the power supply to the heater, and this, as you can see, this is B, showing B, which represent blower. So by this dimmer, by the rotation of this dimmer we can change the speed of this blower, and this is manometer, and mercury is filled in this manometer, and by the height difference we can calculate the speed of the air. This is blower, this is path of the fluid. So, in between this path there is an orifice, this is orifice, there is an orifice which is connected to the manometer to evaluate the speed of the air. So, this is orifice which is connected to the manometer, and this is the heater. So, heater is placed at the inner surface of this test channel, and this is the channel or this is the pipe for the exit of air, and this is the exit of air. So, basically
V1 equal to V4 है.
this equipment there are 7 thermometer, there are 7 thermocouples placed, where
यहाँ पे क्या रखो?
first one
V3 by
first
V4
one is this,
into
or
R
first
equal
one
to
of
rho.
T1
अब
represent the inlet
V4
temperature
क्या
of
है?
air.
V3 by V4 क्या है?
So, T1 represent the inlet temperature of air. From 2nd to 7th, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6, these thermocouples are placed along this channel, along this pipe, and the last one, the 7th thermocouple, this is placed at the outlet of this pipe. So, basically T1 represent the inlet temperature of air, T2 to T7 represent the air temperature at various section along the pipe, and T7 represent the exit temperature of air. So, this is all about the instrument. See, this is all about
तो
equipment.
T2 by T1 sorry हाँ T2 by T1 equal to कितना
Here
है?
voltage is fluctuating somewhere near about 205 or 203,
किया था
but this doesn't change our value much.
आएगा ना equal to R की पावर गामा.
So, this is all about equipment.
Similarly इसका
Let us discuss how we are going to calculate
है तो T
or how we are going to calculate our heat transfer.
था रेशियो था 3 by T4